What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel with AD Fishing. In today's episode, guys, I think we're gonna go fish a new spot, and then I think we're gonna just spot hop all day. It is a March morning, afternoon actually, and it is cold. It's like 47 degrees, so I am bundled up here. We got the car loaded up, and we're gonna get on the road. You guys stay tuned. All right, guys, I might get kicked out of this spot, so we gotta hurry. I might get kicked out of this spot. Yeah, there's giants in here. That's what I've heard anyways. I'm scared. Go. Let's go, baby. Get on up here. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Right on the bandito bug. Right on that bandito bug. Let's go. All right, we're gonna let him go and keep fishing. He's off. Let's go. Bass number one, baby. He crushed it too. I should have brought my bandito bugs with me, because I don't know how long I'll be able to fish here for. Got another one. Oh, he's nice too. Oh my, let's go. Let's freaking go, baby. Freaking go. Oh my goodness, baby. He's a freaking stud. He's a stud. Look at that bass. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Bass number two of the day. He's a stud too. Let's let him go. He's off. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Bass number two. All right. Let's keep fishing. Another one, back to back. Another stud. Another stud. Oh, freaking stud, baby. Stud. Let's go, baby. Another stud of a bass. Let's go. I'm gonna have to grab more bandito bugs. Going back to back, that was. Got him. Back to back to back, baby. He's another stud. Oh my goodness, freaking studs. Freaking studs. Engulfed the bandito. Engulfed it. Freaking stud. Gone. G-O-N-E. Gone. This place is freaking loaded. Back-to-back cast. Stud, baby. Let's go on the bandito bug. 4. They're freaking feisty in here too. They're all like 2-pounders. Every single one's like a 2-pounder. Got him. Oh my goodness, the bass just jumped as I had that one. A bass just jumped out of the water while I had that one. All right, we gotta make a run to the car and get more bandito bugs.
A few minutes later.
Every cast, now they don't want to bite. That's a bass, 100%. Got him. Told you. Another solid bass, baby. Let's take it over here. Here we go, baby. I'm fishing, guys. Haven't got kicked out yet. Let's go. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I was not expecting that at all. Someone told me that there was big bass in there, but I was not expecting to go hammer them today. We caught about 5 or 6 decent sized largemouth bass. They were probably 2.5 pounds, all in the Goon Squad black bandito buck, and they were crushing it. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Please leave a like down below, leave a comment of where I should go next to fish and what I should fish for. And please subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That helps me out a lot, make better content for you guys. With that being said, guys, if you guys want to see all my bass fishing videos, click the playlist right up here. If you guys want to see all my uploads, click the playlist right up here. If you guys want to subscribe to the channel, click the icon right here, and I'll see you in the next one.